సంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా కొండాపూర్ మండలం హరిదాస్పూర్ గ్రామంలో జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ ఆదేశాల మేరకు అడిషనల్ కలెక్టర్ రాజు సందర్శించారు. గ్రామంలో చేస్తున్నటువంటి అభివృద్ధి కార్యక్రమాల గురించి కలెక్టర్ సర్పంచ్ వివరించారు.
Committee is there, one Haritaram committee is there, works Shekhar Rao garu, in September 2019. So as you are rightly pointing out that from February 2020, March 2020, there was carry out these activities.
What is the kind of transformation that you're seeing in a village?
So as I pointed out, the villages are more clean and green. Under the Telangana Ku Harita Aharam, we have created huge number of village parks. So in Sangareddy district, 743 villages and habitations have a Palle Prakriti Vanam village nature park. Avenue plantation is being carried out and has been carried out drastically, and it has changed the entire landscape of the village. There is huge amount of greenery in the entire villages. Apart from that, Mission Bhagiratha, it's a very flagship program of the Honorable CM. So because of that, every household is getting 100 liters per day in the rural areas. That is a safe and treated drinking water. So as you know, that drinking water is related to the health aspect of the people, to the quality of the life of the people. So the healthy lifestyle has increased a lot. People are more aware about what the services they demand from the government, what the services they demand from the gram panchayats. People are more aware. Apart from that, there are 4 standing committees also. Direct participation of people is there. 4 standing committees, 1 standing committees of sanitation, 1 standing committees of street lights, 1 standing committees of Haritaram. Alvakutla Chandrasekhar Rao garu is very particular about the welfare of the farmers. So many initiatives were taken for the welfare of the farmers, starting from providing 24 hours free electricity supply. And this direct cash transfer has been provided to each and every farmer. So irrespective of whatever their status and whatever their land holding, direct cash transfer in the form of Raitu Bandhu has been provided to each and every farmer. So on the 10th of this month, 50,000 crores, it's being basically entire amount has been and will be deposited in the account of the farmers. So to celebrate that occasion, government has announced a program like Raitu Bandhu Sambharlu. So in that, there is a huge amount of celebration among the farmers because they are receiving such amount of direct input cash, which they are in turn investing in their farmlands, in turn investing for the inputs, in turn investing for their machinery. Apart from that, government has also provided and created infrastructure of Raitu Vedikas. So Raitu Vedika is a unique concept. It's a platform, it's a training platform, it's a meeting platform for the farmers, wherein they can in advance decide on what kind of crops they want to grow in their fields, what kind of new technologies are coming in, which they can easily propagate in their fields. So this kind of unique concept is nowhere in the country, and other states also they are emulating this concept, and in fact the government of India has also emulated this concept, and Raitu Bandhu has been a big hit and also been created a huge amount of happy environment for the farmers.
In this season, for instance, the Chief Minister said you shift to other crops. Some of them who felt they could not do other crops are leaving the crop. It's
told by the government also, like they can go for the soybean, they can go for the pulses, they can go for the cash crops. So they are, since Telangana is having huge agroclimatic conditions, agroclimatic zones are there, diverse agroclimatic zones are there, so diverse kind of soils are there, so many kind of crops and many kind of alternative crops can be promoted. So we will definitely ensure that whenever if they are in the decision of leaving the land fallow, we will definitely promote and we will ensure that alternative crops are being grown, and then this amount of Raitu Bandhu, which is directly given into the account of farmers, they can in turn utilize for this alternative crops and for the other. Child is 1994 March.
చాలా కానీ సిచ్యువేషన్
నా పేరు షఫీ, నేను హరిదాస్పూర్ సర్పంచ్ని. అయితే ఈరోజు మా గ్రామానికి అడిషనల్ కలెక్టర్ గారు రావడం జరిగింది. జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ గారి ఆదేశాల మేరకు గ్రామంలో ప్రతిరోజు ఒక్కొక్క యాక్టివిటీ చేయాలని జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ గారు చెప్పారు. అయితే ఈరోజు మా గ్రామంలో పారిశుద్ధ్య పనులు చేసినాం. అవి ఎలా ఉన్నాయి